హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఛానల్. ఇందులో ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ అన్ని అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ మై ఛానల్. మీరు కనుక నా ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వాచ్ చేస్తే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సబ్స్క్రైబే కాదు, లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. లెట్స్ బిగిన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లెర్న్ అబౌట్ సెల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్స్. ఈ టాపిక్లో నుంచి మన బిట్స్ అనేవి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాము. Let's begin our class. First bit. Primarily, cells are studied under. Is it A. Optical microscope, B. Compound microscope, C. Electron microscope, D. None. Which is the right answer? Its answer is a optical microscope. This is the answer. What is microscope? Microscopes are used to for microscopes are used in many for research purpose, like in microbiologist and biotechnology. వీళ్ళందరూ ఏంటి మైక్రోస్కోప్ అనేది యూస్ చేస్తుంటారు. వాట్ ఈస్ ఆప్టికల్ మైక్రోస్కోప్? దిస్ ఆప్టికల్ మైక్రోస్కోప్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్ టూ టైప్స్. ఈ ఆప్టికల్ మైక్రోస్కోప్స్ అనేవి రెండు రకాలు ఉంటాయి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్ టూ టైప్స్. వన్ ఈస్ సింపుల్ అండ్ అదర్ ఈస్ కాంపౌండ్ మైక్రోస్కోప్. వేర్ ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ సింపుల్ where in the case of a simple microscope it consists of a single lens. It consists a single lens. Where in the compound microscope, this compound microscope, it consists of a two lens. In this, two lenses are present. Electron, what is about electron microscope? Electron microscope um, electron microscope use in this electron microscope use electromagnetic or electrostatic lens are used in electron microscope. Next bit. The outermost covering of animal cell is. The outermost covering of animal cell is A. Cell wall, or B. Plasma membrane, C. Nuclear membrane, or D. Nuclear envelope. Which is the right answer? The outermost covering of animal cell. It's a B. Plasma membrane. This is the right answer. Plasma membrane is also called as a cell membrane. Kada? Plasma membrane, it is the outermost layer present in the plants as well as in animals. Cell membranes or plasma membrane is made up of. Cell membranes or plasma membrane is made up of. Is it A. Lipids, proteins, B. Proteins, C. Both lipids and proteins, D. Cellulose. Which is the right answer? ఎస్, మనము ఇవి బిట్స్ గురించి బిఫోర్ కూడా ఒక వీడియో చేశాను, సెల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ గురించి. సో సెల్ membrane or plasma membrane is made up of both lipids and proteins. This is the right answer. C. Made up of both lipids and proteins. Identify the selectively permeable membrane. Is it A. Cell wall, B. Cell membrane, B. It's a print mistake. A. Cell wall, B. Cell membrane, and it is C. It is not a B, it's a C. Tonoplast, or D. It's a nuclear membrane. Which is the right answer? Its answer is the selective permeable membrane is a tonoplast. The selective permeable membrane is tonoplast because it is surrounding vacuoles. It is a tonoplast surrounding a vacuoles in a plant cell. This is the right answer. B. It is surrounding a vacuoles. It is surrounded by vacuoles in a plant cell. This is the right answer. B. What is cell membrane? మనందరికి తెలుసు కదా cell membrane అంటే it is found in all cells, right? Cell membrane is nothing but it is found in all cells. It's a separate interior of cell and outside its environment, right? ఏంటి cell membrane అంటే interior side and outside of the cell environment differentiate చేస్తుంది cell membrane. That is about the cell membrane. We know cell wall అంటే అందరికి తెలిసిందే. Cell wall is the outermost covering of a cell membrane. Cell wall is nothing but it's a outermost covering of to the cell membrane దగ్గర present అయి ఉంటుంది cell wall అనేది. It is a cell wall అనేది it is present adjacent to the cell membrane కదా. Cell wall ఎక్కడ present అయి ఉంటుంది? It's present to the adjacent to the cell membrane. Answer is tonoplast. Cell wall is present in, is it A, animals, B, humans, or C, plants, or D, it's a zooplanktons? Which is the right answer? Cell wall is present in? Yes, cell wall is present in plants only. Cell wall అనేది plants లోనే ఉంటుంది. This is the right answer. Whereas animals in humans and zooplanktons, cell wall is absent. In animals and in humans and zooplanktons, this cell wall is absent. The cell wall is present in plants. This is the right answer. C. Nucleus was discovered by whom? Is it Robert Hooke or B. Robert Brown or C. It's a Rudolf Virchow or D. It's a Schwann? Which is the right answer? Nucleus was discovered by, I tells you, nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Nucleus was discovered by, it's a Robert Brown. B. This is the right answer. Nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Whereas Robert Hooke, what about Robert Hooke? మనకి వీటి గురించి కూడా ఐడియా ఉండాలి కదా. ఆల్రెడీ నేను వీటి మీద బిట్స్ చేశాను. బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ రాబర్ట్ హుక్? రాబర్ట్ హుక్ డిస్కవర్డ్, మనకి తెలుసు కదా, రాబర్ట్ బ్రౌన్ డిస్కవర్డ్ న్యూక్లియస్. వెరస్ రాబర్ట్ హుక్, వి షుడ్ నో అబౌట్ రాబర్ట్ హుక్ అండ్ రాబర్ట్ విర్చో అండ్ ష్వాన్. అంటే వీళ్ళు ఏం డిస్కవర్ చేశారు మనకి ఐడియా ఉండాలి కదా, ఇఫ్ దే ఆస్క్ అబౌట్ దేమ్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్. రాబర్ట్ హుక్ డిస్కవర్డ్ సెల్ ఇన్ అ కాక్ living plant tissues, right? Robert Hooke discovered a cell in a cock in living plant tissue. What is about Rudolf Virchow? He observed cell division. ఈయన అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారంటే he observed a cell division. Rudolf Virchow, he observed a cell division. And this Schwann, he proposed a cell theory. Schwann and Sheldon. Many Sheldon leru, but Schwann and Sheldon proposed the cell theory. Schwann and Sheldon they proposed the cell theory, whereas Robert Brown discovered a nucleus, and Robert Hooke he observed the cells in a cock that living plant tissues he found, and Rudolf Virchow he observed cell divisions, and Schwann and Sheldon they Schwalden and Schilde they proposed the cell theory. Seventh bit. It acts as a cell's control room. Which act as a cell control room? Is it A, cell membrane, or B, nucleus, or C, mitochondria, or D, nucleus? Which is the right answer? It acts as a cell control room. Its answer is it acts as a cell control room. Nucleus. These act as a cell control room. Where is mitochondria? Mitochondria is it is a double layer, right? It is a double membrane layers, and it is used in aerobic respiration. In a mitochondria, aerobic respiration takes place, and it is a double layer. మనకు తెలిసిందే కదా. Cell membrane also known as the plasma membrane. It is the outermost layer, and nucleolus. Nucleolus is we know that nucleolus is a spherical structure and found in cell nucleus, and it is a nucleolus is found in a cell nucleus. Correct answer is nucleus. It acts as a cell control room. This part of the cell bears genetic information. Which bears the genetic information? Is it A, nucleus, B, nucleolus, or C, ribosomes, or D, Golgi complex? Which is the right answer? Answer is A, nucleus. This part of the cell bears the genetic information. A is the right answer. Identify the prokaryotic cells. Is it A, bacterium, or B, cyanobacteria, or C, paramecium, or D, both bacterium and cyanobacteria? Which is the right answer? They are saying identify the prokaryotic cell. Which is a prokaryotic cell? Its answer is D. This both bacterium and cyanobacteria, these are the prokaryotic cell, whereas the paramecium, this is a eukaryotic cell. Paramecium is a eukaryotic cell, whereas A and B, both bacterium and cyanobacteria are prokaryotic cell. This participate in intracellular transport. Which participate in intracellular transport? Is it A, endoplasmic reticulum, or B, lysosome, or C, it's a Golgi complex, or D, it's a ribosome? Which is the correct answer? This participate in intracellular transport. Its answer is A, endoplasmic reticulum. This is the right answer. This participate in intracellular transport. This is the right answer. A. We know about lysosomes. Lysosome అంటే మనకు తెలుసు కదా. Lysosome is a membrane organelles that contain the digestive enzymes. These lysosomes, it's a membrane organelles and it contain a digestive enzymes. And what are ribosomes? Ribosomes are nothing but it is made up of both RNA and protozoans. Ribosomes ante it is made up of both RNA and protein, and it is a site of a and it is a set of a protein synthesis కదా. Ribosomes ఏంటంటే it is made up of a both RNA and protein, and it is a site of a protein synthesis. Ribosomes are a part of site of a protein synthesis. Golgi complex. Complex, it is a main function of Golgi complex. Main function of a Golgi complex is nothing but its main function is packing of materials secretions. It's a packing of a material secretion. This is the main function of the Golgi complex. And lysosome is a membrane organelle contain a digestive enzyme. The lysosome contain a digestive enzymes. Whereas endoplasmic reticulum, this is the right answer. This participate in the intracellular transport. This participate in the intracellular transport. A is the right answer. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in manufacture of reticulum helps in manufacture of A, protein, B, lipids, C, carbohydrates, and D, vitamins. Which is the right answer? Its answer is smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the manufacture of lipids only. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the manufacture of lipid. B is the right answer. This Before bit we studied about smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the manufacture of lipids kada, whereas a rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of, is it A, lipid, or B, carbohydrates, or C, proteins, or D, vitamins? Which is the right answer? ఇందాక ఏంటి లిపిడ్స్ అన్ని చదివాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి రఫ్ ఎండోప్లాస్మిక్ రెటిక్యులం హెల్ప్ ఇన్ ద మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోటీన్స్. ఇవి బిట్స్ అనేవి మనకి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అన్ని. In vertebrate liver cells, it play a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. In vertebrate liver cells, it play a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. Is it A, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or B, rough endoplasmic reticulum, or C, lysosomes, or D, vacuoles? Which is the right answer? Its answer is invertebrate liver cells. It's a play a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. It is answer is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is the right answer. Suicidal bags of the cell and then antaru. Is it a lysosome, or B, ribosomes, or C, nucleosomes, or D, Golgi complex? ఈ suicidal bags of the cell, it's మనకి previous కూడా అడిగారు bits bit అనేది, which is the right answer? Its answer is a lysosome. Because why? Because they contain a digestive enzyme. Suicidal bags of the cell lysosome. Because they contain a digestive enzymes. The number of mitochondria present in each cell or about, is it A, 100 to 200, B, 150 to 300, or C, 100 to 150, or D, 100 to 300? Which is the right answer? Its answer is C, 100 to 150. Actually, the number of mitochondria present in each cell are about 100 to 150 అంటారు కదా, but it varies from cell to cell. Depends on their function. It varies from cell to cell, depends on their function. Next way, the powerhouse of cell. దేన్ని అంటారు పవర్ హౌస్ ఆఫ్ సెల్? దిస్ ఆల్సో ఏ ప్రీవియస్ బిట్ మనకి ఎగ్జామ్లో వచ్చింది. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఏ లైజోజోమ్, బి మైటోకాండ్రియా, సి రైబోజోమ్స్, ఆర్ డి వాక్యూల్స్? విచ్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్? పవర్ హౌస్, ద పవర్ హౌస్ ఆఫ్ ద సెల్ అని దేన్ని అంటారు? ఇట్స్ మైటోకాండ్రియా. మనకు తెలిసిందే కదా అందరికీ. ద పవర్ హౌస్ ఆఫ్ ద సెల్ దేన్ని అంటారంటే మైటోకాండ్రియా ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. The primary function of the chloroplast is to carry out, is it A, respiration, B, photosynthesis, C, nutrition, or D, transport? What is the primary function of the chloroplast? Chloroplast primary function ఏంటి? To carry respiration or photosynthesis, nutrition, or transport? It's the primary function of chloroplast is to carry a photosynthesis kada. It used in the photosynthesis process kada, which convert light energy into a chemical energy in a photosynthesis process. This is the primary function of the chloroplast. In this, pigment chlorophyll is used, right? Pigment chlorophyll, which absorb light energy into chemical energy. That process is known as the photosynthesis. That is known as the photosynthesis process. Kada. Who observed cell division for the first time? Who observed the cell division for the first time? Anta? Is it A, Rudolf Virchow, or B, it's a Robert Hooke? C, it's a Hugo de Vries, or D, it's a Robert Brown. Which is the correct answer? Cell division for the first time discovered by, it's a Rudolf Virchow. He discovered the cell division. Rudolf Virchow, he is the scientist who discovered the cell division for the first time. A year ante, if they ask about who observed the cell division for the first time, means it's a Rudolf Virchow. In the which year means in the year 1855. In the year 1855, observed the cell division for the first time. Scientist name is Rudolf Virchow. In the year 1855. The fluid inside the nucleus. The fluid inside the nucleus is known as, is it A, nucleoplasma, or B, cytoplasma, C, protoplasma, D, germ plasma? D, germ plasma. Which is the right answer? It's the fluid inside the nucleus known as, inside the nucleus the fluid is present. It's a nucleoplasma. This is the right answer. The fluid inside the nucleus is present in nucleoplasma. This is the right answer. A. Chloroplasts are present in, is it A, roots, or B, green leaves, or C, dried leaves, or D, flowers and fruits? Chloroplast are present in, మనకందరికి తెలిసిందే, chloroplast are present in a green leaves కదా. Chloroplasts are present in a green leaves, and it is a chloroplasts are present in a green leaves because a pigment, a chlorophyll, pigment name is a chlorophyll. It absorbs light energy into a chemical energy. It absorbs light energy into chemical energy, and it takes that is a photosynthesis, nothing but it's in a photosynthesis process. Chloroplasts are present in a green leaves. What is the pigment if they ask in exam? It's a chlorophyll pigment that absorbs light energy into a chemical energy. Nothing but it's a photosynthesis process. Leucoplasts are, is it A, green, B, red, C, white, or D, blue? Which color? Leucoplasts are which color? It is in white. Leucoplasts are white. Actually, these leucoplasts are found in plants. These are leucoplasts are used for storage of starch. These leucoplasts are found in plants, and it is used for storage of starch and oils also. This is about a leucoplast. Nucleus was named by whom? Is it A. 𝐄𝐳𝐫𝐥 𝐍𝐵, or B. It's a Sheldon, or C. It's a Robert Brown, or D. It's a Vicho? Which is the correct answer? Correct answer. Nucleus and was named by whom? Its answer is nucleus was named by Robert Brown. Nucleus was named by Robert Brown. మనకు తెలిసిందే కదా nucleus was named by Robert Brown. He discovered the nucleus in which in the eight మనకి year 1831 Robert Brown discovered a nucleus. Next bit. Characteristic of the organism determined by whom? Characteristic of the organism determined by A. Lysosomes, B. Nucleus, or C. Mitochondria, or D. Plasmid, which is the right answer. The organisms are determined by its answer is nucleus. B. This is the right answer. The characteristics of the organisms are determined by a nucleus. Which of the following organelles involved in secretion? A. Nucleus, or B. Mitochondria, C. Golgi complex, D. Plastid. Which is the right answer? Which of the following organelles involved in secretion? In organelles involved in secretion, Golgi complex. This C is the right answer. Golgi complex that involved in the organelles. This is the organelles involved in the secretion. Golgi complex. This is the right answer. C. Cell membrane is made up of mainly. Is it A. Lipids and fats, B. Lipids and proteins, C. Proteins and fats, D. Lipids, fats and proteins? Which is the right answer? Cell membrane is made up of both lipids and proteins. This is the right answer. Cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. B is the right answer. The colorless plastids are, is it A. Chloroplast, B. Chromoplast, C. Leucoplast, or D. None? Which is the right answer? The colorless plastids are, answer is C. Leucoplast. చెప్పాను కదా ఇందాకనే leucoplast గురించి. It is found in plant cells. This leucoplast is found in plant cells, and it is used for storage of starch and oil. This leucoplast used for storage of starch and oil. This is the right answer, C. Cell wall is made up of mainly of is it A. Glucose, or B. Fructose, C. Maltose, D. Cellulose? Which is the right answer? Cell wall is made up of mainly, మనకు తెలిసిందే, cell wall is made up of mainly cellulose. This is the right answer, D. Name the cell organelles that regulate and control all the functions of a cell. Which control and regulate the all functions of a cell? A. Ribosomes, B. Lysosomes, C. It's a endoplasmic reticulum, or D. Nucleus? Which is the right answer? Its answer is the organelles that control and regulate the functions of all cells. It's a nucleus. The nucleus is the cell organelles that regulate and control all the functions of the cell. Its answer is D. Cytoblast refer to, is it A. Endoplasmic reticulum, B. Golgi complex, or C. Ribosomes, or D. Nucleus? Which is the right answer? Its answer is cytoblast refer to a D. Nucleus is the right answer. Cytoblast refer to a nucleus. We know this. Nucleus is the smallest and most important of cell. Nucleus అనేది ఏంటి? It is the smallest and the most important base of a cell కదా. The protein produced in the ribosomes are altered slightly in A. Is it A. Endoplasmic reticulum, B. Golgi complex, C. Mitochondria, D. Lysosome? Which is the right answer? The protein produced in the ribosomes, its answer is slightly altered slightly in answer is it's a Golgi complex. This is the right answer. ఐడెంటిఫై ద రాంగ్లీ మ్యాచ్డ్ పేర్ వి షుడ్ ఐడెంటిఫై ద రాంగ్లీ మ్యాచ్డ్ పేర్ మనకి వీటి గురించి క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతుంటారు ఐడెంటిఫై ద రాంగ్లీ మ్యాచ్ పేర్ అండ్ ద కరెక్ట్ పేర్ అని అడుగుతుంటారు సో మన క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ కేర్ఫుల్గా చదివి నెక్స్ట్ వి షుడ్ ఆన్సర్ ఫస్ట్ one is stomata and second one is leucoplast and third one is Golgi complex and here gaseous exchange and storage of carbohydrates and package of lipids. They are asking wrongly which are the wrongly matched pair. ఏది wrong match అయిన pair ని మనం కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు. So which is the right answer? It's a answer is మనకి రాంగ్ గా మ్యాచ్ అయిన పేరు అడుగుతున్నారు కదా ఇట్స్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ ఏ 1 2 or B it's a 2 3 or C it's a 1 3 or D 3 which is the right answer. They are asking for wrong match pair కదా stomata మనకు తెలిసిందే it is useful for gaseous exchange so this is the right pair. We don't want a right pair, we want a wrong pair. And leucoplast is nothing but storage of carbohydrates. ఇందాక మనం చెప్పాము leucoplast అనేది it's a storage of carbohydrates. Whereas Golgi complex packing of lipids కాదు. So this is a wrong pair. Golgi complex it is not used for packing of a lipids. So this is the right answer. They are asking for a wrong pair. So this is the D right answer. Read the following statement. A. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and it is dead in nature. Or B. Plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins and it is a living. మనకి statements అడిగి which are right or wrong అని questions అడుగుతుంటారు. So A. Both A, B incorrect. B it's a second one. A correct, B incorrect. Third one it's a B correct and A incorrect. D. Both A, B correct. Which is the right answer? Its answer is a its cell wall is made up of cellulose. మనకు తెలిసిందే cell wall is made up of cellulose and it is a dead in nature. No, it is a dead in nature. A is a statement right and B into plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. This plasma membrane is made up of lipids and protein and it is the living. So this A and B are correct. D, this statement is correct. D is a right. Both statements are correct. The plant which we can observe more chloroplast in like algae, B fungi or C it's a bacteria, D none. Which is the right answer? The plants observe more chloroplast in we can found in algae. We find more chloroplast in algae. This is the right answer. A is the right answer. The cells arranged in Rio leaf are A circle or B in rows or C irregular or D it's a diagonal. Which is the right answer? The cell organelles in Rio leaf are its answer is the cells are arranged in circle. A is the right answer. The organelle present in the center of a cheek cell. In the center of the cheek cells, the organelles are present. It's A mitochondria, it's a B Golgi, or C nucleus, or D ribosome. Which is the right answer? The organelles are present in the center of the cheek cell. In the center of the cheek cell, which organelles are present? Its answer is in the center of the cheek cells, the nucleus are present. C is the right answer. The stain used to observe nucleus in cheek cells, is it A saffron or a B it's a methyl orange, C black dye or D all the above? Which stains are used to observe the nucleus in cheek cells? మన cheek cells గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలంటే దేన్ని యూస్ చేస్తాం సాఫ్రాన్ నా మిథైల్ ఆరెంజ్ నా బ్లాక్ డై నా విచ్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ మన సాఫ్రాన్ ని యూస్ చేద్దాం మిథైల్ ఆరెంజ్ ని బ్లాక్ డై ఆల్ ది అబౌవ్ ఆర్ యూస్డ్ దీస్ డైస్ ఆర్ యూస్డ్ to observe the nucleus in cheek cells. D is the right answer. Which solution is used to observe mitochondria under microscope? మనకి mitochondria observe చేయాలంటే మైక్రోస్కోప్ లో నుంచి Is it A, Janus green used, Janus green B used, or saffron used, or glycerin used చేస్తామా? D, methylene blue ని యూస్ చేస్తామా? దేన్ని యూస్ చేస్తాం? Which solution you use to observe mitochondria under microscope? Which solution is used? Its answer is, this is the right answer. A. It's a Janus green B. This is a basic dye. This is a basic dye used for. This is a basic dye solution to observe mitochondria. A is the right answer. Which coloring reagent used in your classroom to see nucleus? In the classrooms, which reagent used to see nucleus? Is it A, phenolphthalein, or B, methylene blue, or C, alcohol, D, it's a glycerin? Which is the right answer? It's a answer is, the coloring reagent used in your classroom to see nucleus. Its answer is B, methylene blue. Methylene blue is used. This is the reagent used in the classroom to see nucleus. The red blood cells have a less lifespan because of. The red blood cells have a lifespan because have a less lifespan. మనకి రెడ్ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, they having a less lifespan because ఏంటి reason? Because presence of a hemoglobin, or B, it's a presence of nucleus, or C, it's a absence of nucleus, or D, presence of nucleolus. Which is the right answer? The red blood cells having a lifespan, less lifespan because of absence of nucleus. Because these blood cells cannot repair themselves when they are damaged. ఏంటంటే these red blood cells cannot repair themselves when they are damaged. C, absence of nucleus. Right answer. Packing of various substance in the cells are, is it A, nucleus, or B, mitochondria, C, Golgi apparatus, D, it's a plastids. Packing of various substance in the cells are, its answer is, which is the right answer? It's a nucleus, or mitochondria, or Golgi apparatus. Packing of various substance in the cells are, it's a Golgi apparatus. These are used for packing of various substance in the cell. Golgi apparatus is the right answer. The organelle which generate and store energy. A, Golgi, or B, mitochondria, C, nucleus, or D, ribosomes. Which is the right answer? The organelle which generate and store energy. ఇంకా ఎనర్జీని జనరేట్ చేసేదని స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటాయి ఎనర్జీ. విచ్ ఇస్ దట్ ఆర్గనల్? మనకు తెలిసిందే. ఇట్స్ ఆన్సర్స్ మైటోకాండ్రియా విచ్ స్టోర్ ద ఎనర్జీ అండ్ ఇట్స్ జనరేట్ ఎనర్జీ. బి is the right answer. The reason for color changes in tomato, green, white, yellow, red, is because of A, endoplasmic reticulum, B, plastids, or C, nucleus, D, cell membrane. What is the reason for the color changes in tomato? Because of plastids. The reason for the color changes in tomato, green, white, yellow, red, is due to a plastids. Plastids is the right answer. Cell theory was proposed by whom? Cell theory was proposed by whom? Is it Sheldon, or B, Schwann, or C, both A and B, and it's a D, Rudolph and Virchow? Who proposed the cell theory? Cell theory proposed చేసింది both A and B is the right answer. C is the right answer. Identify the label part in the diagram. They are showing this is the identify the label part. This is the label part. And the diagram, is it A, chloroplast, B, pora, C, nucleus, or D, God cell? It's a, they are saying identify the label part in the diagram. మనకి ఇలా కూడా అడగొచ్చు exam లో. Which is the right answer? It's a, these are the guard cells. D is the right answer. Name the given picture. Is it the animal cell, like the plant cell? A, animal cell, B, plant cell, C, chloroplast, or D, it's an endoplasmic reticulum. This given picture is, this is the animal cell. Kada? This is a animal cell. The given picture, which is this given the picture is a, it's an animal cell picture. A is the right answer. Identify the cell organelles in the below picture. Is it A mitochondria? Is it a mitochondria? B nucleus or C it's a Golgi or D chloroplast? It's a we know the cell organelle present in the below picture. Its a answer is it's a chloroplast. This is a chloroplast picture. D is the right answer. Name the labeled part in the shown cell organelles. Name the labeled part in the shown cell organelles. They are showing in the pictures. They are showing no. Is it A nucleus or B nucleolus or C? It's a DNA or D RNA. Which is the right answer? This is a nucleolus. Nucleolus is a. This is the right answer. In the cell organelles, they are showing in picture that is a nucleolus. Identify the cell organelles show in the diagram. They are showing this diagram, right? Is it A chloroplast, B Golgi complex, C endoplasmic reticulum, D mitochondria? It's a mitochondria. This picture is mitochondria. This diagram is mitochondria. Identify the cell organelle. Is it A Golgi? This is a Golgi complex or B endoplasmic reticulum or C lysosomes or D nucleus? It's it's a its answer is A Golgi complex. The cell organelle is a Golgi complex. A is the right answer. Identify the cell organelle. Is it this cell organelle? Is it A Golgi complex, B endoplasmic reticulum, C lysosome, or D nucleus? Its answer is it's a endoplasmic reticulum. This cell organelle is a endoplasmic reticulum. Next one, arrange the following in correct order. They are saying the following arrange in a correct order. Correct order లో మనం arrange చేయాలి వీటిని. టిష్యూస్ ఆర్గనిజమ్స్ అండ్ ఆర్గన్ సిస్టమ్ సెల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందా లేకపోతే ఆర్గనిజమ్స్ అండ్ ఆర్గన్ సిస్టమ్ టిష్యూ సెల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందా సెల్స్ టిష్యూ ఆర్గన్ సిస్టమ్ అండ్ ఆర్గనిజం ఫామ్ అవుతుందా డి నన్ ఆఫ్ ది అబోవ్ విచ్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్స్ మనకందరికి తెలిసిందే సెల్ ఈజ్ ద బేసిక్ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లైఫ్ సెల్ నుంచి గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ సెల్ ఫార్మ్ a tissue a group of a tissue form a organ a group of organs form a organ system and the organ system nothing like by nothing but like heart kidney this is the organ systems are formed and this organ system altogether to form a organism అనేది form అవుతుంది. Thanks for watching my video. Please like share subscribe and support my channel.